Both teams on a 2-game losing streak at 1-2 in the standings. And at this point, UST looking good to break that losing streak as you look at highlights of set 2.
Well, definitely a better set here for UST. Kanina, first set na habol sila ng UP, but this time around, they were clearly in control. And less errors as well. I think that's one thing that I'd like to know. They committed less errors. They really looked like they were in control. Even at the attack, makikita natin, no, coming from a good rally. Maru Banatikla also really performing very well here in the second set.
And I think that was crucial, no, because marami-rami yung unforced errors nila. 7 yata nung set number 1. And kita mo naman yung lamang nila ngayon at the finish, 25-11 after set 2.
And looking at the numbers now, unforced errors minimized to 3 and 4 here for both teams. But if you look at the numbers, UST just really better across the departments. Attacks 14 as compared to only 7 of the Lady Maroons, and 5 good blocks as well in the second set.
Pero obviously, those stats don't really show the kind of game that Lady Maroons have been playing here in this match. I mean, they've been playing very, very well. It's just that the breaks of the game haven't been going their way. The long rallies, they can't seem to win. They do get some great plays, you know, pero yun nga, hirap sila pagka dikit ang laban and dikit ang points.
Well, I guess if there's anything, of course, UST, an experienced team, and then you have a much younger team going up against them. Ang maganda lang dyan, nakikita natin, nakakasabay yung UP. It's not like naiiwanan sila ng sobra ng UST.
A change-up sa opensa ng UP here as Magtalas is playing setter, replacing si Del Mundo, their main setter. But off to a good start is UST off the serve by Lantin. 2-0. Set number 3. And itong UST parang nagmamadali. May party siguro.
Oh, may Christmas party. It's a season of Christmas Christmas parties.
Exactly. It is a week of Christmas parties this week. So yeah, they're off to a very good start here. Very good and quick start. 3-0.
And of course, ito nga, like what we said earlier, UST of course wants to end this year on a high note. Of course, looking at both teams, alam natin mas lamang naman talaga yung UST, but what they want is to also get that good game.
Nothing going right even on a good reception. Itong UP can't really get a good play, a good attack on. 4-0. Set number 3. Se. Here's Caballejo. To Saran with an underhand set.
Oh, that one was an overset. But a point for UST.
They go to Ong. Off the net. Lantin sets it up. Tunay. And even the floor defense has abandoned UP at the start of this set. What a blistering beginning to set number 3 para sa UST. 6-0. Let's check in with UP.
Hassle na yun. So magbibigay tayo ng ganun ka-simple points sa kanila. Okay? Yung mga unforced errors, dapat tayo nagko-control niyan. Okay? Let's go. Ito yung last stop natin para makontinue yung game na to. So kailangan ipakita na natin kung ano yung kailangan pang extra movement na yan, extra effort na yan. Ha? Let's go.
Tara, sayang tayo! UP!
UP starting as if it's set number 1, ano? Pero parang malamig na malamig sila ngayong set 3, ano? And in a set that they must win, tulad nga na sabi ni Coach Ubade, para mapahaba itong laro to, because otherwise it's going to be another sweep against the Lady Maroons.
Well, it's not going to be an easy job, of course, here for UP. But at the very least, I think si Coach Jarod ang hinahanap lang dyan yung laban. He wants to see the right movements inside the court, makascore man ng UST against his team. Dapat hindi madali.
Abad will hit. Lantin sets it up for UST. And it's just more of the same para sa Tigres's. Lantin has served consecutively since 0-all. Hindi pa umiikot yung rotation itong UST, and they're almost halfway to finishing out this set.
But of course, no, if you want to end the year, it's your last game for this year. What you want is to end it strong.
And what a statement UST is making right now. If that's the case, Lantin. That was touched. 8-0.
First technical timeout.
Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.